How's it going? Chris over here at Young's, and today we're going to talk about the 2009 YZF-R6, or more commonly referred to as the R6. One of my favorite of the sport bikes, actually, because of its look. It's nice, it's sleek, it's clean, it's slim, and it just screams, I'm fast. This bike comes standard equipped with gold anodized wheels, as well as gold anodized fork legs. Some aftermarket upgrades on this bike are the Renthal extra soft grips and these beautiful frame sliders that can save a paint job in the event of those unlikely accidents. On the back here, we've got a nice custom exhaust done up. That thing is loud, I promise. And here's that tail section I was talking about. Just thin, razor smooth. Everything about it is beautiful and just cuts through the air. Bike also comes equipped with relocated license plate frame that's all lit up. That way you stay street legal. And integrated tail light system that houses your turn signals and your tail lights all in one. So no big bulky rear end. We've also added on a gold anodized chain to match up with those rims to give you that nice, beautiful look. Something about this Black Raven screaming down the road just says, go faster, go faster.